AquaJet device ensures quick and efficient removal of dirt, moss, and fungus from the surface of a tiled or slate roof. The principle of operation of the device is based on the supply of a rotating jet of water under high pressure of up to 500 bar. AquaJet is a platform with high-pressure rotating nozzles mounted on its bottom. A brush is fixed along the perimeter of the platform, which serves as a support for the device. A thin jet of water actually cuts off a layer of moss and dirt, while a brush helps to permanently remove plaque from the roof. Due to the thickness of the jet and high pressure, AquaJet washes away residues and dirt even in the most inaccessible places, such as the joints of the tiles. The cleaning system also provides for safe, accurate removal of plaque and debris. This is done by corrugated hoses that are connected to the storm drain system, and their second end fits into the tank. Thus, all the dirt from the roof does not remain on the site. Instead, it is collected in the tank and removed. Disinfection of the roof is carried out in the same way. In this case, an antiseptic is supplied instead of water. Seakeeper. The Seakeeper stabilizers are designed on the basis of a gyroscope and are able to withstand pitching, suppressing it by 70 to 90%, depending on the device model and the vessel's displacement, from 10 to 140 tons. The device is most effective at parking and at low speeds. In addition to civilian ships, Seakeeper is used on boats and light military vessels. Such devices have an increased resource and help increase the accuracy of fire and the speed of capturing the target of the ship's artillery. Seakeeper has a compact size and is powered by an onboard 12-volt network via a 220-volt inverter. The stabilizer automatically adjusts a suppressing torque to withstand pitching and consumes minimum energy. It is controlled by a remote display and can be installed in the engine or tiller compartment of the vessel. For cooling the mechanical part of the stabilizer, seawater is used, which is supplied by a pump with a capacity of up to 30 liters a minute. Walking pad. The Chinese manufacturer Xiaomi introduced a smart walking pad treadmill. Let's figure out altogether what makes it so remarkable. This treadmill is very compact, 472 by 163 inches. It folds easily after use and fits in the storage location, under the bed or sofa. This track is designed for weight up to 198 pounds. The speed variability is not particularly high, up to 4 miles an hour, so you are unlikely to go for a race on it. Speeds are controlled by the remote control that comes with the kit. Since the novelty is smart, it can be integrated with your smartphone and with the Mi Home smart system. Human hoist. An adjustable chair, Human hoist is designed for those working in difficult conditions. This ergonomic mobile solution is used in the repair of freight transport in particular. Human hoist is designed in collaboration with Mask, a heavy truck manufacturer. The system supports the body of the worker in any position, from sitting to horizontal position. The chair is designed with regard to the main points of supports necessary for reliable fixation of the body and includes an adjustable headrest. A chair adjustment is done by means of servo drivers with electric motors, operated by a joystick. Also, it has got a complete fixation of the chassis with the wheels lockup. From both sides, an adjustable seat is equipped with magnetic holders for tools and devices, while each adjustable point can be fixed in increments of 10 degrees. North Focals. The North startup presented Focal smart glasses, which look like ordinary classic glasses, but at the same time project an image to the user, as well as are controlled by a joystick ring. The main prominent difference between Focals and ordinary glasses is wide earpieces, one of which has a built-in mini projector. Otherwise, they look quite normal and will be available with a rectangular and round frame. The mini projector projects an image that is reflected from the glass into the iris of the eye, thus creating a hologram effect. In Focals, you can receive notifications from various applications, weather forecast, or navigation tips. You can use them to ask Alexa a question or order Uber. In the future, more services are due to come up. Human support. Japanese engineers from Preferred Networks have created software for robotic systems, which is able to control and coordinate operation of one or more robots during the cleaning of the room. To demonstrate the capabilities of the system, the developers have implemented the software in the human support robot, already existing in the Toyota Corporation. Test subjects could recognize the objects scattered around the room, pick them up and put them where they should be. In addition, the robots could recognize the speech and gestures of the person pointing to a work plan. In the future, this new useful skill will be useful to robotic systems for arranging stuff in warehouses, streets, in homes of retirees, or people with disabilities and sedentary people. Tajima Serio, a portable air conditioning system. Tajima Serio allows withstanding any heat and damp weather while maintaining performance. The system consists of a compact fan in a plastic case, which is mounted on the belt. It is connected to a double-layer wearable shirt, the upper layer of which does not let air through, and the lower one has got deflectors facing the body. Thus, the body is blown around, which reduces the intensity of sweating even in hot weather and under heavy loads on the body. Tajima has also developed a mobile head air conditioner that works in the same way, but is mounted on a worker's protective helmet. A 3-mode electric motor is powered by a battery that lasts for 6 to 8 hours of continuous use. Hub – wireless headphones with 100 hours on autonomous mode. Earplugs work up to 8 hours on a single charge, and a massive case can charge them 12 more times, a total of 108 hours. There is a quick charge, 15 minutes for 3 hours of life, and it's quite possible to feed other devices from the case too. The hubs are protected by IPX5, so drops of sweat or rain won't ruin the 0.3-inch driver and the battery hidden in each earpiece. The surface of the earpieces is touch activated. You can both scroll through the tracks and activate voice aid. Well, here is the final blow to the market of wireless headsets. The pre-order price for hubs is $89, but after release, their cost will increase to $250. Smart Drive. Existing electric wheelchairs are quite comfortable and able to carry a user off-road or up the stairs. However, such wheelchairs have a major disadvantage. They are too bulky. The new Smart Drive ensures using all advantages of the electric drive, at the same time without making the design heavier. A new device is an electric drive that connects to a standard wheelchair. The Smart Drive will help push the stroller if necessary, for example when climbing uphill. The weight of the device is about 13 pounds. The electric drive is equipped with Bluetooth. The power of a 250-watt brushless DC motor is provided by a lithium-ion battery of 36 volts and a capacity of 3.4 amps, which is enough for traveling up to 12 miles. Mimeng. With Mimeng's smart insoles, say no more about freezing feet issue. Mimeng looks like ordinary insoles. At the same time, inside they are supplemented with heating elements, a Bluetooth module, and a battery. The principle of work is very simple. Simply place them into the shoes and install the optimal level of heating in the application on your smartphone. Now you are ready to go out. The device can heat up to 50 degrees Celsius. It is equipped with an intelligent mode that adjusts the temperature to external conditions. A built-in battery at an average temperature is enough for 6 hours. At the maximum temperature, the gadget works for 3.5 hours. The insoles are charged on a special wireless platform, which can be installed at the entrance to the apartment. To adjust the size of the insole to the desired size, it is enough to